Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to set up MACD on TradingView. First, open your TradingView chart and locate the Indicators button at the top. Click it and search for MACD in the pop-up window. Select the built-in Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator to add it to your chart. This will display the MACD lines and histogram below your main price chart, ready for analysis. We will then explore its default configuration. Once MACD is on your chart, you'll see its default settings. The standard configuration uses a 12-period fast exponential moving average, a 26-period slow exponential moving average, and a 9-period signal line. These values are widely accepted and provide a balanced view of momentum. You can access these settings by double-clicking the indicator or clicking the gear icon next to its name on the chart. Understanding these defaults is key before making any adjustments. Personalizing your MACD indicator can greatly enhance your chart's readability. Within the settings, navigate to the Style tab. Here, you can change the colors of the MACD line, the signal line, and the histogram bars. You can also adjust the thickness and type of each line. For the histogram, you might prefer columns over an area plot. Experiment with different combinations to find what works best for your visual preferences and analysis style. To maximize your MACD analysis, consider combining it with other indicators like RSI or volume for stronger trade signals. Always look for divergences between price action and the MACD lines, as these can often signal upcoming trend reversals. Remember, no single indicator is perfect, so use MACD as part of a comprehensive strategy. Also, for ultimate comfort and durability, check out Darn Tough Socks with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to those, along with other great deals, in the description below this video. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.